Is MassMutual legit? Yes, MassMutual is a legitimate and highly reputable insurance company with a history of over 170 years. As one of the largest mutual life insurance companies in the US, it is known for its strong financial stability, customer focused policies, and reliable claims processing. 1. Strong financial stability and ratings. MassMutual holds top ratings from major financial agencies, including AM Best, Moody's, and Standard & Poor's, indicating its ability to pay claims and manage long-term financial obligations. This ensures that policyholders can trust the company's financial security. 2. Licensed and regulated insurance provider. MassMutual is fully licensed and regulated by U.S. insurance authorities, ensuring that it follows strict legal and ethical standards in providing life insurance, annuities, and financial services. Third, mutual company structure. As a mutual company, MassMutual is owned by its policyholders, not shareholders. This means its profits are reinvested to benefit customers, often through dividend payments for whole life insurance policyholders. Fourth, variety of insurance and financial products. MassMutual offers a wide range of products, including term and whole life insurance, annuities, retirement plans, and disability income insurance. These products are designed to help individuals and businesses achieve long-term financial security. 5. Reliable claims processing. MassMutual has a strong track record of paying out claims efficiently. Policyholders report positive experiences with customer service and claims approvals, reinforcing its reputation as a dependable insurance provider. 6th, industry recognition and Fortune 500 ranking. MassMutual is consistently ranked on the Fortune 500 list, proving its financial strength and industry leadership. It has received numerous industry awards for innovation, customer satisfaction, and financial performance. 7. Customer trust and long-term commitment. With millions of customers nationwide, MassMutual continues to be a trusted name in life insurance and financial services. Its commitment to long-term financial security makes it one of the most respected insurance companies in the U.S. MassMutual is a legitimate, financially strong, and customer-focused insurance company. With high ratings, strong claims reliability, and policyholder benefits, it remains a trusted choice for life insurance and financial planning. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.